The concept of angel numbers. Angels communicate through numbers. The concept of angel numbers is a compelling and widely embraced idea in spiritual circles. At its core, the concept suggests that divine beings, particularly guardian angels or celestial entities, use numbers as a medium to communicate with human beings. This spiritual mechanism is not rooted in chance or coincidence, but rather in deliberate signs and symbols that hold profound messages. To understand angel numbers, one must be open to the unseen world, a dimension where messages from the divine manifest through patterns and synchronicities. These patterns appear in the form of repeating numbers like 111, 222, 333, and so on, which are often seen on clocks, license plates, phone numbers, and other seemingly mundane places. Yet, these repeated sightings carry weight, spiritual depth, and individualized meanings for those who are willing to receive them. Understanding the spiritual realm. To grasp the essence of angel numbers, it's essential to explore the spiritual realm in which they originate. The spiritual realm is an expansive, non-physical dimension where energies, spirits, and divine consciousness exist. According to various metaphysical and religious beliefs, each person has one or more guardian angels tasked with guiding, protecting, and nurturing them throughout life. These angels often operate in subtle ways, influencing intuition, inspiring creativity, and most notably, using symbols to deliver messages. Numbers are among their most efficient tools because they are universal, easily recognizable, and impossible to ignore when repeated frequently. This understanding bridges numerology and spirituality, suggesting that certain numerical combinations vibrate at specific frequencies. These vibrations can align with your current life circumstances, emotional state, or spiritual path, making the messages deeply personal and highly relevant. Seeing a specific angel number repeatedly often means your guardian angel is trying to draw your attention to a significant change, confirmation, or spiritual revelation. The origin of angel numbers. While angel numbers as a concept are relatively modern, their foundation lies in ancient numerology and religious symbolism. Numerology, the study of numbers and their mystical significance, dates back to ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Greece, and Babylon. Pythagoras, a renowned Greek mathematician and philosopher, believed that numbers carried spiritual vibrations and could be used to understand the universe's secrets. The concept of angels using numbers to communicate was later popularized in the 20th and 21st centuries by spiritual authors and teachers such as Doreen Virtue. These pioneers emphasized that angel numbers are not random but are purposeful signals meant to provide guidance, encouragement, or warnings. Their teachings have since influenced countless books, blogs, and YouTube channels, making angel numbers a staple in modern spiritual practice. How angel numbers work. Angel numbers typically appear in sets of 3 or 4 digits, like 111, 444, or 1212. These sequences are often seen repeatedly over a short period of time, catching your attention in a way that feels uncanny or synchronous. This phenomenon is known as synchronicity, a term coined by psychologist Carl Jung to describe meaningful coincidences. The mechanism behind angel numbers is thought to involve your subconscious mind and the law of attraction. When you become spiritually aware or are on the verge of a life change, your vibration aligns with certain frequencies. Angels, attuned to your vibration, send numbers that resonate with your situation. Your mind, in turn, becomes attuned to recognize these numbers, leading to repeated sightings. For example, if you are contemplating a major life decision and repeatedly see 555, this is commonly interpreted as a sign of impending change and transformation. The repeated appearance acts as validation and encouragement from your angels, reinforcing your intuitive feelings. Popular angel numbers and their meanings. 111. A call to monitor your thoughts as they are manifesting rapidly. It signals alignment with the universe. 222. A message to maintain faith and balance. 555. Major life changes ahead. Embrace transformation. 666. A reminder to refocus on spiritual over material. Align your thoughts and actions. 777. Divine guidance and spiritual awakening. You are in sync with universal energy. 888. Abundance and financial prosperity. A sign of infinite support. 999. Completion of a chapter. Prepare for new beginnings. Each of these numbers holds layers of meaning depending on the context of your life. The key is to trust your intuition and consider what is happening around you when you encounter these sequences. Interpreting angel numbers. Interpreting angel numbers is both an intuitive and reflective process. The first step is recognizing the number's presence and frequency. If you see 222 every day for a week, it's worth noting. Next, evaluate your current circumstances. Are you facing a decision, struggling with a relationship, or exploring a new path? The numbers you see often correlate directly with these situations. It also helps to journal your experiences. Write down the numbers you see, when and where you see them, and what you were thinking about at the time. Over time, patterns will emerge that clarify the messages. You might even start noticing specific numbers related to particular themes in your life. Spiritual teachers also suggest asking your angels for clarity. If you're unsure of the meaning behind a number, meditate or pray for insight. The answer may come through dreams, intuitive feelings, or even another number sequence. Why do angels use numbers? Angels use numbers because they are universally understood and can bypass language barriers. Unlike symbols or words, numbers have a consistent form and interpretation across cultures. This makes them ideal tools for celestial communication. Numbers also resonate with vibrational frequencies that align with spiritual energies. Each number carries a specific vibration, making it a powerful medium for conveying spiritual truths. Furthermore, numbers are ever present in our daily lives, on clocks, receipts, addresses, and more. This ubiquity ensures that angels can reach us frequently and discreetly. Another reason is subtlety. Angels respect human free will and often communicate in ways that invite awareness rather than impose messages. Numbers gently nudge us to pay attention without overwhelming or frightening us. They act as signposts on the spiritual journey, guiding rather than dictating. The role of faith and intuition. Understanding and interpreting angel numbers requires a measure of faith and a willingness to trust your intuition. These messages are rarely direct or logical in the way we are accustomed to in the material world. Instead, they speak to the soul and require openness to receive. Faith helps you stay open to divine guidance, especially when life feels uncertain. When you trust that the numbers you see are not coincidences, you're more likely to recognize the deeper meanings behind them. Intuition, on the other hand, acts as a spiritual compass. It helps you interpret the numbers in ways that are meaningful to your unique path. Together, faith and intuition form the foundation for engaging with angel numbers. They empower you to trust in divine timing, recognize synchronicities, and respond to the messages with clarity and purpose. Meaning and symbolism of angel numbers. The meaning and symbolism behind angel numbers are central to their spiritual power. Each number carries its own vibrational energy and unique spiritual message, derived largely from numerology, metaphysical beliefs, and divine interpretation. The symbolic essence of angel numbers serves as a language through which the spiritual realm communicates guidance, protection, and reassurance to those on their earthly journey. Angel numbers are not arbitrary. They are carefully chosen by spiritual guides or guardian angels to relay a precise message at a specific moment in time. For instance, seeing 111 frequently symbolizes alignment between thoughts and reality, reminding you that your manifestations are near and your intentions are shaping your future. In contrast, 444 is often a symbol of divine protection and strong spiritual foundations, while 555 represents dramatic life transitions and evolution. Each pattern calls your attention to an area of life that may require awareness. Likewise, 333 might symbolize harmony of mind, body, and spirit, while 777 could signal divine wisdom and spiritual awakening. These numbers often appear in moments of uncertainty or transformation. Their appearance is a symbolic confirmation that you are not alone and that higher forces are guiding you. They might affirm that you are on the right path, prompt you to reflect, or encourage you to move forward courageously. Ultimately, angel numbers are deeply symbolic messages designed to align you with your higher self and spiritual purpose. When recognized and interpreted through intuition, they become beacons of insight, offering comfort, awareness, and direction through life's many phases. Conclusion: in a world where many seek meaning and direction, angel numbers offer a beautiful, mysterious, and deeply spiritual way to connect with the divine. They represent the intersection between numerology, faith, and cosmic guidance, serving as a bridge between the earthly and the ethereal. Whether you're navigating a significant life change, searching for love, or simply curious about your spiritual path, angel numbers can provide the clarity and encouragement you need. Engaging with these numbers requires mindfulness, openness, and a willingness to trust in the unseen. They are reminders that you are supported, protected, and guided by forces greater than yourself. As you begin to notice and interpret these numbers, you'll likely find yourself more aligned with your intuition and more aware of the synchronicities shaping your journey. Angel numbers are more than just numerical coincidences, they are messages of love, hope, and spiritual wisdom. Embrace them with an open heart, and let their guidance illuminate your path forward.